Next, new topic, relative position of circles. So here two circles are there. In this condition, C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, means one circle center C1 radius R1 and center C2 radius R2, and these two circles distance between C1 C2 is this much part is more na, that's why C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So here two circles having common tangents, this touching both the circle, so common tangent. This also common tangent, it is also common tangent, it is also common tangent. Common tangents are divided into two parts, DCT direct common tangent, TCT transverse common tangent. DCT means the tangent towards the same side of the circles. So this tangent is up the two circles, this tangent down the two circles, so it is DCT. TCT means one circle opposite to another. So this tangent, this circle is right side, this circle is left side, so this tangent is TCT. The same way it is also TCT. Next, here two circles position is what? Exterior to each other, and this two tangents touches at PE point, that is externally divides C1 C2. Next, these two tangents are touches at PI, so that's why PI means divides C1 C2 internally. So here DCTs are 2, TCTs are 2, overall common tangents 4. The same thing, second concept, if C1 C2 distance is equal to R1 plus R2, then the positions like this, two circles touches to each other externally, outside it touching, so this a common tangent, those are DCT, up direction, same down direction. This is TCT, one is left, one is right. So these two tangents touches here now, two circles touches here, that is point of contact. Point of contact PI divides C1 C2 internally with the ratio R1 is R2 radius. So how many DCTs? 2 DCTs. How many TCTs? 1 TCT. So overall common tangents 3. Next, coming to third point, C1 C2 value greater than over, now less than R1 plus R2, and one more condition also, R1 minus R2 also less than C1 C2. We don't know which one is bigger, which one is smaller now, so we have to put mod. Then two circles comes together, somewhat together, so two circles intersect to each other. So here common tangent, those are DCT. Here no TCT, overall 2. There is no point importance of internally externally points. So now coming to fourth point. Now C1 C2 value is equals to mod of R1 minus R2. So two circles positions like means touches to each other, but internally, inside touching na, internally, but point of contact is externally. In other words, C1 C2 outside it is there, so P is externally. In the previous, if P is in between C1 C2 means internally. So two circles are touches to internally, point of contact divides externally with the ratio R1 is R2. So this is DCT because two circles same side. So one DCT, no TCT, only one common tangent. Next, fifth point, mod of R1 minus R2 greater than C1 C2 means one circle inside another circle. with center C1 with center C2. There is no any common tangents because this tangent will be not a tangent. This tangent will be not a tangent to another circle. No DCT, no TCT, no CT. So two circles position interior to each other. Means in one circle another is there. Next, here we are discussing about internally, externally. Na? In 10th class you have M1 is to M2 formula. But in higher education we'll use M east N concept. So instead of R1 east R2 we have to take M east N. Formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Internally formula plus will come. My2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Externally PE means in same formula but in between minus. And equation of the common tangent formula S minus S dash is equal to 0. Means generally circle is denoted by S. First circle minus second circle. That's all. Show that the circles this and this touches to each other. Also find the point of contact and common tangent at this point of contact. Given circles are paper partition, first circle, second circle as it is. Again here x square coefficient, y square coefficient should be 1. So already 1 is there. Next x coefficient is 2g. So 2g is equals to minus 4, 2f is equals to minus 6, c is equals to minus 12. So 2 1s are 2 2s are cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s are cancelled. C value minus 12 as it is. Center C is equals to, I already told formula, minus g minus f. So same number but opposite sign. So plus 2 comma plus 3. Next radius r is equals to under root g square plus f square minus c. So minus 2 square minus 3 square minus formula and minus 12. Minus into minus plus 12. So 4, 9, 12. Be careful, minus square is plus. So root 25 answer is 5. Keep aside. Next second circle. X square coefficient, y square coefficient 1. Next 2g value 6, 2f dash value 18, c dash value 26. 1s are 3s are, 2 1s are 2 9s are 26. So center C2 is equal same but opposite sign. Minus 3 minus 9. Radius R2 is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. So 3 square 9, 9 square 81 minus 26. Addition then subtraction. Root 64 value is 8. Now coming to R1 plus R2. 5 plus 8, 13. Keep aside. Next distance C1, C2. Formula under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root x1, y1 is center C1, center C2. So minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Minus 9 minus 3 whole square. So minus 5 square minus 12 square. 5 square answer is 25. 12 square answer 144. Addition 169. Root 169 answer is 13. So observe here both values are same. So C1 C2 is equals to R1 plus R2 according to this diagram. Next these two circles are touches to each other externally and the point of contact is divides C1 C2 with the ratio R1 is to internally, quite opposite. With the ratio R1 is to means 5 is 8. So PI formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So replace the values. Then 5 into minus 13 plus 8 into 2 by 5 plus 8. 5 into minus 9 plus 8 into 3 by 5 plus 8. So plus into minus minus 15 plus 16 minus 45. 8 3 is a 24 by 13 13. So subtraction 1 by 13 So subtraction minus 21 by 13. Pi we got. Next equation of the common tangent. Formula s minus s dash is equal 0. So first circle as it is. Then second circle, if all are plus, so all are minus. So x square, y square cancel. Minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. Minus 6 minus 18 is minus 24. Minus 12 minus 26 minus 38. So again 2 table common. X coefficient should not be minus. Taking minus 2 table. 2 5s are, 2 12s are, 2 19s are. 2 will go right side. 0 by 12 is 0. So which is our required equation of tangent. Very important problem. Show that the circles touches to each other. Find the point of contact and equation of the common tangent at their point of contact. So here given 2 circles we should write paper partition. So first circle you write paper partition. Second circle you write. So here we have to find center and radius. So x square coefficient, y square coefficient should be 1. So it is 1. No need to bother. Next we should write 2g is equals to x coefficient, because formula x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c is equal to 0 na. So instead of 2g minus 6, instead of 2f minus 2, constant c value 1. So 2 1s are 2 3s are cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. G F C. So center formula minus G minus F. So same number but opposite sign. Minus plus. Minus will be plus. Next radius formula. Radius is equals to under root G square plus F square minus C. So G square means 3 square, F square means minus 1 square, minus formula C value 1. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1 minus 1 as it is. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Root 9 is 3. So radius R1 value 3. The same pattern, second circle. Again x square coefficient, y square coefficient should be 1. Next x coefficient 2 G dash. I am taking second circle S dash for difference. G dash. Next 2 F dash value minus 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are cancel. Constant C dash. Again center C2 formula minus G dash minus F dash. Same number but opposite sign. Plus will be minus, minus will be plus. Next again radius formula under root G square plus F square minus C. So 1 square, 4 square, minus formula 13. 1 square answer 1, 4 square answer 16, minus 13. So 17 minus 13. Root 4 value is 2. Keep aside. Next we have to cross check position of the circles. Means first we have to R1 plus R2 addition. So 3 plus 2, 5. Keep aside. Next C1, C2. Means distance C1, C2. Distance formula what? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So x1, y1 what we have to take? Center C1, C2. So x1 value 3, 1 and x2 value is, so x2 minus x1 means minus 1 minus 3 whole square minus plus 4 minus 1 whole square. So minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 square 16, 4 minus 1 3, square is 9, root 25 answer is 5. So here observe R1 plus R2 value is equals to C1 C2. So according to the concept, 2 circles are touches to each other, because here C1 C2 distance is equal to exactly R1 plus R2 na. So 2 circles touches to each other externally, outside touching. Point of contact is internally. In between C1 C2 means point of contact is internally. So 2 circles are touches to each other externally. The point of contact Pi, Divide C1 C2 with the ratio R1 is R2 formula. R1 value 3, R2 value 2. Internally. So internally formula in between plus. So mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So mn means the ratio m n. And next x1 y1 means c1 value is x1 y1, c2 value is x2 y2. x1 value what we got? 3 comma 1 we got, and c2 value minus 1 comma 4. So substitute everything here. M means 3, x2 means minus 1, n means 2, x1 means 3 by m plus n means 3 plus 2. And the same thing here. M y2 value is 4, n y1 value is 1, 3 plus 2 m plus n value. So minus 3 plus 6 by 5, 12 plus 2 by 5. So subtraction 3 by 5, addition 14 by 5. Point of contact over. Next we need to find equation of the common tangent. At their point they asked, but equation of the common tangent and a formula s minus s dash is equal 0. Means first circle minus second circle. So first circle means as it is circle, minus second circle means plus will be minus, plus will be minus, plus will be minus, minus will be plus, plus will be minus. So x square cancel, y square gets cancelled, minus 8x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So commonization 2 table, but x coefficient keep in the mind positive, so minus 2 table. Minus 2 4s are, minus means plus a minus common means one more minus will left over, 2 3s are, so minus I have taken plus, 2 6 are. Therefore equation of the common tangent. Next, show that the circles touches to each other, find the point of contact and equation of the common tangent at their point of contact. So again paper partition, first circle, second circle, x coefficient, y coefficient, constant, 2g, 2f, c. 2 1s are, 2 3s are cancel. Here no cancellation because odd. So 2 will come right side division. Next, x coefficient, y coefficient. There is no constant, so c dash value is 0. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Keep aside. Center C1 is equals to formula minus g minus f. Same number, opposite sign. Same number, opposite sign. Center C2. Next, radius R1 under root g square plus f square minus c. So 9 square answer 81, 2 square answer 4 minus 13. So LCM is 1 4 1. LCM is 4. 4 9s are 36, 13 4s are 52. Addition, then subtraction, root 65 by 4. Root 65 answer we don't know. Root 4 answer is 2. Next, radius R2. G square plus f square minus c. So minus 1 square minus 8 square 0 square. So 1 plus 64 is root 65. Then be careful fractions. Now adding R1 plus R2. R1 value root 65 by 2 plus R2 value root 65 we got. Next, fractions means LCM we have to do. 2 and 1 LCM is 2, crossly into 1 root 65, 2 root 65. Total 3 root 65 by 2. Now distance C1, C2 we need to find. Same distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square answer 4. Here no need to apply a minus b whole square. Just LCM. 8 2 is 16. 16 minus 9. 7 by 2 whole square. So 49 by 4. Again LCM. 4 4s are 16 plus 49 by 4. Addition root 65 by 4. So root 65 as it is. Root 4 answer is 2. Now observe. We got R1 plus R2 value is 3 root 65. but C1 C2 value is only root 65. Both are not equal. So addition not equal means consider subtraction. R1 minus R2, we don't know which one is bigger. Mod, we have to put mod root 65 by 2 minus root 65. So again LCM 2 root 65. 1 root 65 minus 2 root 65 will give you minus root 65 by 2. Removing the mod, we can write simply root 65 by 2 also. So observe here, both are equal. Means C1 C2 value is equals to subtraction R1 minus R2. So according to this condition, two circles are touches to each other internally, but point of contact is externally, because outside the C1 C2 na externally, with the ratio R1 is to R2. So R1 value root 65 by 2, R2 value root 65. Cancel. Only 1 by 2 is to 1 left. Directly we can write 1 by 2. Otherwise 1 we can write 2 by 2. Denominator can be cancelled. So ratio is 1 is to 2. So we need to find point of contact, that is externally. Formula is minus mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So put m in the place 1, n in the place 2. x1, y1 values are center C1 and C2. So we'll get here substitution 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3 by 1 minus 2, 1 into 8 minus 2 into 9 by 2 by 1 minus 2. So 2 cancel, 1 minus 6 by 1 minus 2, 8 minus 9 by 1 minus 2. So minus 5 by minus 1, minus 1 by minus 1, minus cancel. The answer is 5 comma 1. Now equation of the common tangent. Formula S minus S dash. First circle minus second circle. So plus x square means minus x square, plus y square na minus y square, minus 2x is given na, so it will be plus 2x, minus 16 is given na, so plus 16y is equal 0. So again x square y squares cancel. Next minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, minus 9 16 is plus 7, constant as it is. So there is no any commonization, but minus we should not write x coefficient, send it to right side or taking minus common anyway. This is equation of the tangent.